Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out another TikTok trend. It's going to be the Glow Look filter. The look is mostly focused on the blush placement, so it's all across the cheeks and the bridge of the nose, giving that almost kind of sunburned look and a really glowy highlight. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. So first step, I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow primer. I've been liking the LA Girl Pro Primer HD High Definition Eyeshadow Primer in white, and that's been really nice for my dry eyes. So while that eyeshadow primer is setting a little bit, I'm just going to go in and do my brows. To start the eyes, I'm going to go in with a transition shade right at the crease, and just taking a big fluffy blending brush, just sweep that across the crease and blend it in. With a slightly smaller blending brush, I'm going to go in with a darker brown shade. I'm going to really deepen up that crease. So I'm going to take the transition shade and mix it with another kind of orangey color and put that on the first half of my lid with a kind of flatter, denser brush. I'm going to take that same dark brown color that I used in the outer V and use it just to smudge my bottom lash line, just on the outer 1/3. Now I'm going to go in with a transition shade and just smoke out that dark color we just placed down. And I'm going to take a champagne color just to highlight my inner corner, and I'm just going to tap it on there with my finger. I did give my lashes a curl, and I'm going to move on to eyeliner. You could do this with a liquid liner, but I'm going to go in with a gel liner, and I'm just going to line my waterline and then go over the top of my lash line a little bit, and I'm going to smoke out the very outer edge of it closer to my outer V. Finish up the bottom lash line, I'm just going to take that same eyeliner and right at the lash line just tap it in. So just in the area where it's the darkest, I'm just going to tap on a color corrector. For foundation, I'm going to go in with my favorite BB cream and just using a flat top brush, cover my whole face with that. Now onto the blush, which I think is probably the highlight of this look. I'm going in with a brown orange blush, and that's going to go all over the tops of my cheekbones and then across the bridge of my nose. And then taking a big face brush, I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. And I'm just going to apply highlight to my face with my finger. Next, I'm going to go in with a berry lip, and I'm just going to use my finger to blot it out. The last step, I'm just going to set my face with a setting spray. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what looks you'd like me to recreate next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!